Hi, welcome back to Hostbox channel and back to the tutorial for Python. Today I'm going to tell you how to generate BMI calculator using Python. So it's a simple program where you can generate very easily with the help of few lines only. As of you know today, Python is very important. So first I'm going to write. So as of you know BMI. So BMI is important for every person. And if you want to calculate a person's BMI, we need support of the weight and height. When you weight and height, you can easily get the BMI index. Based on that, you can decide whether weight is ideal or overweight or healthy and so on. So first of all, I'm writing the program where I'm starting the height is equal to float, input, enter the height in the centimeters, then I'm going to calculate weight. So I'm writing the coding input of enter your weight in kg. So I'm showing the output in Pycharm. If you want, you can execute in Jupyter anywhere, Python ideal anywhere. Then I'm going to write height is equal to height by 100. Then I'm writing BMI at last formula weight divided by height multiplies height. Then your body index. So if you give the formula, it will check the body mass index and print. And here we have to give some condition. If at all BMI greater than 0, then it go to the condition called if BMI less than or equal to 0, they say you are severely underweight. That means you have to improve the weight, increase the weight for the body. Now, if you go, if it are less than or equal to 18, it will say you are underweight, and if you say else BMI less than or equal to 25, it will say you are healthy. So this is one many of the person expecting, and else if you go BMI less than or equal to 30 means it will say you are overweight like that. Then you are giving you are severely overweight like that. Else you can go enter valid. So here the people we have to enter where the user can enter float is called input of enter your weight height in centimeters. Then you can write enter weight in kg. Then you can give height is equal to height by 100 and BMI is equal to weight by height multiple height. Then it will print the index like that. If at all again, so like that we can repeat the coding to get the exact output here. So we can enter every time and vary the output vary. Let's see the output now. So once executed here, just now executed here. So here already executed. So I'm going to enter some value like this. Let's assume that I give the person height is centimeter is 160. Then I'm going to get the weight is just write 65. Then you will calculate the say it says a bars limit is 25.03 and so on. Say overwrite. Let's check another one. I'll give the weight of 60 like that giving. So to print the say overall weight. So if you want, you can try different output. Let's give for one more output. So simple and easy. So you can easily understand the Python where you can easily calculate the body mass index. So I'm just giving 170 and I'm giving AGS 68 to things the output. Yeah, it's a you're healthy like that. So like that, you can generate the BMI with help of Python. I hope that you understand the program, project, and so on. If you have any queries or suggestions, please kindly communicate with the social media. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.